Hi all, in this video I'm going to speak about dealing with people who try to put you down or try to criticize you. As a child, every one of us, we don't know to criticize. It is actually eventually the habit or the a skill or a lesson, something learned by seeing others. Someone learns to criticize or pick on someone else or tease, or these are actually habitual things which is picked up from others as a child and also as an adult. Okay, we learn a lot of things by seeing others. So when someone is criticizing you, it means that they are deeply hurt themselves inside. They have also received the same kind of criticisms, and they, in order to make themselves feel complete and validated, they try to criticize another human being, and also they think that this is the way everything has to be done. So instead of reacting to such people who are criticizing you or trying to put you down, it is actually a better thing to do, like you just show them unconditional love, and you listen to them and give undivided attention. These are some things which will stop the criticism, because when you react you are actually giving motivation for them to criticize more and try to prove their point more. So it is not that the person is a bad person, or they are always trying to dominate or something. It is because that they feel that they need a validation in their life from someone else. So when they are not able to get that kind of validations, they are trying to dominate someone else and try to fill in the hole in their life. It is usually the idea of mind and ego. So this, by criticizing someone else, this might actually boost their own ego, and they may feel good at that point because they have boosted their ego. So instead of trying to react to those people and trying to hurt them, or do something which is not your particular characteristics, I would rather say that you show them undivided attention and love instead of reacting to things which you feel is like putting you down. Instead of reacting, I would say that you can show them a lot of love and attention, which will actually allow themselves to heal. And by seeing you as a better person who is showing always love, affection, and not criticizing or reacting to their kind of behavior, it will actually make them feel that they have to take you as a role model or learn something from you. Usually people are inspired by the people around their family and friends circle. So I, instead of you trying to show them anger and negative qualities, okay, for them to pick or learn from you, I would say you can show love. Okay, so I know it is hard when someone is trying to hit you, and you showing love. But when you see it in from the perspective, like they are doing all those things because they are hurt and they needed validation. So when you know that someone is already hurt, why would you want to hurt that person? Let's say someone is telling another friend that they are, you know they look ugly or something like that. Okay, so this ugliness, or the idea of criticizing someone else as ugly and they don't look good, is because they had been criticized by someone else that they look ugly and things like that in the past, or maybe in the present also. So you don't know the complete version of a person by just speaking for some time. So I would rather say that instead of judging them, you just open yourself up to them and allow themselves to heal themselves, and also you show undivided love and attention. So if you want me to speak about any other topics, just let me know from the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.